In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate HubSpot with Outlook so you can track emails, log conversations, and manage your CRM directly from your inbox. This is perfect if you use Outlook daily and want HubSpot working seamlessly in the background without switching tabs all the time. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from installing the add-in to making sure everything is connected correctly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. To connect HubSpot to Outlook, we'll be using the HubSpot Sales Outlook add-in. This add-in integrates HubSpot's CRM tools directly into Outlook, allowing you to track email opens, log emails automatically, and associate conversations with contacts and deals in HubSpot. The entire setup only takes a few minutes, and you don't need any technical experience to do this. First, open Outlook on your desktop or web version, and make sure you're logged in to the Microsoft 365 account you normally use for work. Once Outlook is open, click on New Mail to compose a new email. We're not actually sending anything yet, but this is how we access the add-ins menu. In the new message window, look at the toolbar under the message ribbon. You'll see an option labeled Apps. Click on Apps, and from the drop-down menu, select Get Add-ins. When you click Get Add-ins, a new Marketplace window will pop up. This is Microsoft's official add-ins marketplace, where you can safely install integrations for Outlook. At the top of this window, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search bar and type HubSpot Sales. Once the results load, look for HubSpot Sales from the list. Make sure it's published by HubSpot to avoid installing the wrong add-in. Click on HubSpot Sales and then click the Add button. Outlook will now begin installing the add-in for your account. This usually only takes a few seconds. After the add-in is installed, you may be prompted to sign in to your HubSpot account. Go ahead and log in using the email associated with your HubSpot CRM. During this process, HubSpot will ask you to grant permissions so it can connect with Outlook and Microsoft 365. Review the permissions, then click Allow to continue. These permissions are required so HubSpot can track emails, log activity, and sync data properly between both platforms. Once you're signed in, the HubSpot panel will appear directly inside Outlook. From now on, whenever you compose or read an email, you'll have access to HubSpot features like email tracking, logging, templates, and contact insights without leaving your inbox. You can choose to automatically log emails to HubSpot or manually select which emails get logged. This gives you full control over what information is saved in your CRM. To make sure everything is working correctly, try sending a test email to one of your contacts. After sending it, check HubSpot and confirm that the email activity appears under the contact record. If it does, your integration is working perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Outlook using the HubSpot Sales add-in. This setup can save you a huge amount of time and help you stay organized by keeping all your email communications synced with your CRM automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.